Hello everyone, welcome back to STA Club, the club for stocks trading and analysis. This channel is dedicated to provide you with a high quality tutorial, guides and insights that demystify the world of trading. Whether you are a beginner taking your first step in the financial markets or a trader looking to refine your strategies, there's something here for you. Are you ready to take your trading skill to the next level? Join us as we will share more trading secrets and valuable insights to sharpen your trading skill. To stay updated and be the first to access this valuable resource, hit the subscribe button now. By subscribing, you are opening the door to a world of trading and maximize your potentials for success. In today's episodes, we are unlocking the secrets of advanced candlestick pattern that will give you a clearer picture when catching the reversal trends in the charts. However, not all candlesticks are providing equal bullish or bearish signal to us. Some carry stronger signals than others, acting as beacons of opportunity in the fast-changing markets. In the last part of the video, we will share the strongest bullish and bearish signals of the candlestick patterns and show some practical examples from the markets. By the end of this video, you have a whole new level of confidence in decoding the market language and using them like a pro. But before we dive in, the information in this video is solely for education purpose, not a buy or sell call. In the last video, we dive into the basics of candlesticks, introducing you to the 4 powerful patterns to catch trend reversals. So let us rewind for a bit for those who might have missed out the last candlesticks tutorial video. We had laid out the foundations, introducing the basics of candlesticks patterns and 4 reversal patterns. If you are new here or need a quick refresher, hit the pause buttons and check out the video first. Trust me, it will be a solid investment of your time. So now you know how to read the candlestick from our last video, and let us recap the 4 candlestick patterns that give you bullish and bearish signals. A hammer and an inverted hammer candlestick usually suggests a possible reversal in a downtrend. But this change isn't certain until it's confirmed. And hanging man and shooting star suggest a potential reversal in an uptrend. It is like a sign that bull might be losing their grips. Today, we will introduce more advanced candlestick pattern for you. Get ready your pens and papers. Make sure you jot it down the important pointer so that you can use it when you are trading. Let us start to dive deeper into the world of candlestick patterns and learn more advanced candlesticks. This is our first bullish candlestick patterns. This candlestick pattern is called bullish engulfing. The bullish engulfing patterns consist of 2 candlesticks. The first candlestick is usually a small bearish candlestick, followed by a largest bullish candlestick that completely engulfs the previous candlestick's bodies. This pattern symbolizes a potential shift from a bearish to a bullish trend. It is like the bull stepping in with authority after a bearish movement. The bigger bullish candles engulf the smallest bearish ones, suggest a potential reversals in sentiments. Confirmations for the bullish engulfing patterns often come from the next candlesticks. If you see a follow-up bullish candlesticks, it can reinforce the ideas of a trend reversals. Think of it as a team effort. The bullish engulfing set the stage, and the following bullish candles give a thumbs up, signaling potential upward movements. Next will be a bearish patterns that has a very similar concept with bullish engulfing, which is bearish engulfing. Similar to the bullish engulfing, the bearish engulfing patterns involve 2 candlesticks. The first candlestick is typically a smallest bullish candles, followed by a largest bearish candles that completely engulf the previous candles bodies. This pattern indicates a potential shift from a bullish to bearish trend. It is like the bear taking control after a bullish run. The largest bearish candles engulf the smallest bullish ones, suggesting a potential reversal in sentiments. As with the bullish engulfings, confirmations for the bearish engulfing patterns often come from the next candles. If you see a follow-up bearish candles, it can strengthen the ideas of a trend reversals. So bullish engulfings and bearish engulfings are like a sister with their own distinct personalities and ways of expressing themselves. They may share a resemblance, but their actions and intentions are unique. The bullish engulfings and bearish engulfings patterns contribute their own perspective, enhance the market narrative, and guide us on our tradings. Next, let me introduce you to the 3 white soldiers candlestick patterns. In these patterns, 3 consecutive bullish light candlesticks stand shoulder to shoulder, marching in unison, each candle's openings higher than the previous day close and closing higher than its own opens. These 3 white soldiers are like a symbols of strength and determinations. They indicate a potential shift from bullish to bearish sentiments. The 3 white soldier usually is a strong bullish trend reversals candlesticks patterns in a downward trend. Sometimes they can appear after price have been moving sideways for a while, but that's not as strong as a signal compared with in a downtrend or a strong support line. But be careful, if the bodies of the candles are really big, it could mean that the bull are trying too hard and might need a break. To be sure, look for more signs that price are going up. It could be better if you can confirm by other technical indicators like the relative strength index, which we call it RSI. It will definitely increase your potential win rate of your tradings. So if you would like to know more indicator like RSI or particular indicators, comment below. Let us know what indicator you want to learn in the futures. Next will be the 3 black cross candlesticks patterns. In this pattern, 3 consecutive bearish candlesticks emerge, each openings higher than the previous day's close and closing lower than its own opens. These 3 black crows act as a warning sign of potential downturn that indicate a possible shift from bullish to bearish sentiments, as if a storm of selling pressure is gathering. However, just as with any storms, cautious is the key. It is essential to look for additional signs to confirm the potential bearish reversal in order to increase your potential win rate in tradings. Using indicators like the moving average convergence divergence, which we call it MACDs, and RSI can be a smart approach to engage your analysis and decision makings. The 3 black cross patterns serve as a reminder that market sentiment can quickly change from bullish to bearish, and you should be prepared to navigate the changing landscape, just like a dark cloud gathering before a storm. These patterns suggest the potential for a significant bearish shift and encourage you to be extra cautious. So now it is time to introduce the strongest signals among the candlestick pattern from my perspective. So make sure you listen carefully and like this video if you want to keep this video to your playlist. In my opinion, the morning star and evening star candlestick patterns give a very strong bullish and bearish signals respectively. Morning star is a strong bullish candlesticks pattern that gives you a signals on the start of a trend reversal from bearish to bullish. Imagine yourself on the losing trade days. All your stocks has been falling, losing a lot of money. You feel terrible, sitting in a dark room on your own, staring out of the window as it gets darker outside. But just as the night seems darker, you see the morning star appear in the chart. Just as the morning star brings the assurance of the new dawn. Its appearance on the chart signals the potentials for a trend reversals and remind you that the night will not last forever. So like a lighthouse guiding a ship to safety, the morning star guides traders and offers a glimmer of possibilities and encourages us to hold on a little longer. So next time, if you find yourself in the depth of the trading challenge, remember the story of the morning star. Just as it ushers in the new days after the darkest of the night. Its presence on the chart can herald the dawns of trend reversals, reminding us that in the world of trading, hope and opportunity always have a way of breaking through the crowd. In the morning star pattern, these 3 candlesticks tell a compelling story. The first candle is a large bearish one, represent the ongoing downtrend. But then a smaller candle appears. It could be bearish or bullish, showing uncertainties and potential change. Finally, the third candle emerged, a large bullish one that engulfed the previous bearish candles. It is like the morning sun break through the crowd, illuminating the horizon. The morning star pattern suggests a potential strong reversals of downtrend. It gives us signals for us as a potential opportunity to enter or exit positions. And the pattern is just like its name, morning star in the dark bring you hope and signals for the potential bullish trend reversals. So how about the evening star candlestick patterns? Evening star is a bearish signal in an uptrend, just like a shadows looming at the dusk. Now imagine a day filled with optimism and bullish excitement. Price has been rising steadily and the bull has been celebrating their victories. But as the day draws to the close, shadow begin to lengthen, casting doubt on the bullish festivities under the evening stars. Similar to morning star, the evening star involves 3 candlesticks. The first candle is a large bullish one, reflecting the ongoing uptrend. Then a smallest candlestick appears. No matter it is bullish or bearish, it shows the uncertainty in the markets. Finally, the third candles emerge, a large bearish one that engulf the previous bullish candles. It is like the sun setting behind cloud, creating an atmosphere of caution. The evening star pattern is like a signal of potential change. It suggests a possible reversal of the uptrends, indicating that the bear might be gaining strength. The evening star pattern consider it as a signal to assess their positions and possible prepare for a shift in market sentiments. In both patterns, the interplay of candlesticks tell a tales of transitions from darkness to light in the morning star, and from light to shadow in the evening star. This pattern serves as a guide, helping us interpret potential trend shift and make informed decisions amidst the flow of market dynamics. So from this video, you know the 6 advanced candlesticks patterns, 3 bullish signals and 3 bearish signals. It is time for us to show some examples in the markets. So let us look at the block incorporate shares, formerly known as the square incorporates. So here's the chart and we can clearly see the bullish engulfing here. So after the bullish engulfing, there is a bullish candlesticks to confirm. Thus, it subject a potential trend reversal from bearish to bullish. bullish. This sequence indicates that the bear initially had control but were overpowered by the bull, resulting in a strong upward movement. After that, we can actually see another bullish engulfing here, but it does not go well because the next candlestick does not act as a very good confirmation, as it is a weak bearishness candlestick, and we can call it a spinning top candlestick. It can be suggested that neither bull nor bear has a strong upper hand, thus the confirmations fail in this place. So let me show you another examples with Unity shares. So before that, can you find any Morningstar in the chart? You can pause the video and try to find the Morningstar. See if you can find any Morningstar here. Okay, so let me know in the comment whether you find any Morningstar in the chart. Now it's my turn to show you where is the Morningstar. So the Morningstar is here and here. So if you can see, after the Morningstar pattern formed in the downtrend, the price go up and it actually tell you the potential trend reversals. So the Morningstar actually is a very strong signal that might tell you potential trend reversals. After showing you the examples of Morningstar, can you find any evening star in this chart? I guess a lot of people may see it. It's here. Same goes to the Morningstar in the Unity charts. After the evening star appears, the price goes down and the trend switch from upward to downward. Also, on 4 August, actually we have seen the bearish signals, which is 3 black crows suggesting potential downturns. So after the patterns appears, the price dropped from 40 to 34. So to determine when the price will stop going down, we will need to wait and observe whether there will be any bullish trend reversal signals. You can use what we had learned from the video and apply the bullish trend reversals candlesticks pattern in your tradings. While candlestick pattern like the Morningstar can provide valuable insights into potential price reversals, relying solely on one pattern may not provide a comprehensive view of the markets. Incorporating addition indicator, technical analysis, and risk management strategies can greatly enhance your trading success. Think of it like building a strong foundation for a house. While one brick such as a candlestick pattern is important, the entire structure such as your trading strategies rely on multiple elements working together. By using indicators like moving average, relative strength index, or MACD, you can increase your win rate in your tradings. These tools complement candlestics patterns and help you make more informed decisions. Successful trading involves a holistic approach that combines various tools and techniques. By using candlestics pattern as a part of your toolkit, along with other indicators and skills, you are better equipped to navigate the complexity of the market and increase your chance of success. So it will be the end of the videos. If you like these videos and think this video has been very helpful to you, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss out on our latest video in the future. Comment below to any technical analysis skill you want to learn. Thank you for the like and share. See you in the next video.